In today's video, I will show you how to add your store logo to the Shopify's one-page checkout. This will replace the default store name with your brand's logo, which is positioned in the top left corner of the Shopify checkout page. So in order to make the switch, the process is as follows. First of all, let's log in the Shopify admin account, and then at the bottom left corner, click on Settings right here. Now look for Checkout. Now within the checkout settings, look for the configuration section right here at the very top, and look for your store configurations right here. Let's click on Customize. Now in the settings at the very top, look for the logo section. As you can see, I don't have any logo right now. Let's click on Add Image. Right in here, you can upload a brand new logo, or you can pick the existing one, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll use this specific logo. Let's select it, and then click on Done. Now let's change the logo width. Currently it's set to 100 pixels. As in this example, I'll change it to 80 pixels. Next, let's change logo position. By default, it's placed over the checkout form, like you can see right now. We can change it to order summary. It's going to be placed right in here, or change it to full width. And I think I'll just leave it like this. Finally, let's adjust logo alignment. By default, it's left aligned, like you can see in this example. We can change it to right aligned or centered. And I think I'll just keep it like this. Now let's save the changes. And let's go back to checkout. Let's refresh it. And there it is. Here's the updated store logo in the checkout page. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.